Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Pod English Stories.
Hey friends, I'm Leo and this is Maya, and we are so excited to be here with you today.
Yes, we have such an interesting topic to talk about today. It's about life experiences and how to.
Wait, Maya, why did you stop? Is something wrong?
Hold on a second. I'm looking at our channel statistics right now, and I can't believe what I'm seeing.
Oh no, what happened? Did I say something wrong in our last video?
No, it's not that. Friends, I was checking our numbers, and I discovered something incredible.
What is it, Maya? You're making me worried now.
Dramatically, more than 90%, yes, more than 90% of people watching us right now are not subscribed to our channel.
What? 90%? That's that's almost everyone. Friends, are you breaking my heart?
Leo, don't be so dramatic. But seriously, everyone, if you enjoy learning English with us, please click that subscribe button right now.
Yes, please. We make videos every single day just for you. Don't you want to see more?
Subscribing really helps our community grow. It helps us reach more English learners around the world.
And it motivates us to keep creating free content for you every day.
So please take just 1 second and click subscribe. Let's change that 90% number today.
Okay, now that we've asked nicely, let's talk about our topic. Maya, are you ready?
Yes, but Leo, before we start explaining, I want to ask you a very strange question.
A strange question. Okay, I'm listening. What is it?
A misty chopping question. Have you ever eaten a cricket?
A cricket? You mean the insect? The little jumping bug?
Yes, a cricket. Have you ever eaten one?
Actually, yes, I have. I tried it last weekend.
What? Really? You actually ate a cricket? That's so surprising.
Yes, my friend took me to a special restaurant and they served fried crickets.
Ugh, that sounds terrible. How did it taste?
Well, it was actually not bad. It tasted like a crunchy snack.
I can't believe you ate a cricket. I've never eaten an insect in my life.
Never? Are you sure? Maybe you ate one by accident.
No way. I would remember that. But Leo, this is actually perfect for our topic today.
Perfect. How is eating crickets perfect for English learning?
Because we just used a very important grammar structure. Did you notice?
We said, have you ever? And I have never. Oh, present perfect.
Exactly. Today, we're talking about life experiences and how to share them in English.
This is such a useful topic. Everyone wants to talk about their experiences.
Yes, and many learners get confused about when to use have done and when to use did.
I remember being so confused about this when I was learning English.
Me too. But don't worry, everyone. We're going to make it super clear and simple today.
Yes, and we have a really cool analogy to help you understand.
Okay, so let me explain this with a picture in your mind. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I love your analogies, Maya.
Okay, so imagine that your life is a long journey. You're walking on a road, going to different places, meeting different people.
Okay, so life is like a journey. I can picture that.
And on this journey, you're carrying a backpack on your shoulders. This backpack is very special
Special. Why is it special?
because inside this backpack, you collect all your life experiences. Every time you do something new, you put it in your backpack.
Oh, so my backpack is full of memories and experiences.
Exactly. Now, when someone asks you, have you ever, they're asking about what's inside your backpack.
So they want to know if I have that experience in my collection.
Perfect, Leo. They don't care when you put it in your backpack. They just want to know if it's there or not.
So if someone asks, have you ever visited London? They just want to know if London is in my backpack.
Yes, the time doesn't matter. Maybe you went last year, maybe 10 years ago. It doesn't matter.
The important thing is just, do you have that experience or not?
Exactly. Let me give you another example. Leo, have you ever broken a bone?
Yes, I have. I broke my arm when I was a child.
See, I didn't ask when. I just asked if you have that experience.
Oh, and I answered yes, I have without mentioning the time.
Perfect. That's present perfect. We use it for experiences without specific time.
So it's like saying this is in my life backpack, but not saying when I put it there.
Beautiful explanation, Leo. You're getting it.
Thank you. But Maya, what if someone wants to know more details?
Ah, great question. That's where things get interesting.
Okay, I'm listening carefully.
Okay, let me show you. Leo, have you ever been to Paris?
Yes, I have. I love Paris.
Okay, now I want details. When did you go to Paris?
I went to Paris 3 years ago.
See what happened? First, I asked, have you been? Present perfect. Then I asked, when did you go? Past simple.
Oh, so when we mention the specific time, we use past simple.
Exactly. 3 years ago is a specific time, so we say, I went, not I have gone.
So, have you ever eaten sushi is present perfect because no time is mentioned.
Yes, keep going.
But I ate sushi yesterday is past simple because yesterday is a specific time.
Perfect. You've got it. Everyone, did you understand that?
Let me make a common mistake so you can learn from it, okay?
Okay, show us the mistake.
I have visited Paris last year.
Stop. That's wrong, Leo. Can you hear the problem?
Hmm. I said last year, which is a specific time.
Yes, so you cannot use have visited. What should you say?
I visited Paris last year, or I went to Paris last year.
Perfect. Remember, everyone, if you mention when, you must use past simple.
No have or has when you say the time.
Exactly. This is a very common mistake, so be careful.
Maya, can we talk about some other useful words that go with present perfect?
Oh, yes, great idea. Let's talk about already and yet.
These two words are so useful in daily conversation.
Yes. Already means something happened before now, maybe earlier than expected.
Like, I have already finished my breakfast.
Perfect. It means you finished it, maybe quickly, and now it's done.
And yet is for things that haven't happened, but we expect them to happen, right?
Exactly. Yet usually comes at the end of negative sentences or questions.
I haven't done my homework yet.
Good. That means you plan to do it, but you haven't done it until now.
Have you eaten lunch yet?
No, I haven't eaten yet. I'm still hungry.
Maya is always hungry. She thinks about food all the time.
Hey, that's not true. Well, maybe a little true.
A little, you talk about food in every video.
Okay. But food is important. Anyway, let's get back to our lesson.
Yes, let's give everyone more examples with already and yet.
Okay, so already is usually in the middle of the sentence between have and the past participle.
She has already left the office.
They have already seen that movie.
We have already finished our coffee.
And yet comes at the very end, usually in questions or negative sentences.
Have you finished your work yet?
I haven't called my mom yet.
Has the train arrived yet?
Notice that yet creates a feeling of expectation. We expect it to happen soon.
So if I say I haven't cleaned my room yet, it means I will clean it, just not now.
Yes, but Leo, when will you actually clean your room?
Maybe tomorrow or next week?
See, everyone, this is why we use yet, because Leo keeps saying he will clean, but he hasn't done it yet.
Hey, I'm a busy person. I have many things to do.
Sure. Anyway, let's practice some more.
Yes, let's do some shadowing practice. Everyone get ready to repeat after us.
Okay, I'm going to say a sentence slowly, and I want everyone to repeat it exactly as I say it.
Good. Now repeat it. Have you ever traveled abroad?
Excellent. Let's try another one. Listen carefully.
I have never seen snow.
Now you say it. I have never seen snow.
Great job, everyone. Let's do one more.
She has already finished her homework.
Your turn. She has already finished her homework.
Wonderful. Did everyone practice? I hope so.
Remember, speaking out loud is so important. Don't just listen.
Yes, your mouth needs practice, not just your ears.
Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Mistakes help you learn.
Exactly. We all make mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes.
Maya makes mistakes in every video.
Hey, that's not nice, Leo.
I'm just joking, but seriously, mistakes are normal and natural.
Yes, the important thing is to keep practicing and not give up.
Now let's talk about some really common have you ever questions.
Oh, yes, these are questions people ask all the time in conversations.
Have you ever met a famous person?
No, I haven't, but I would love to. What about you, Leo?
Yes, I have. I met a famous singer at a concert once.
Really? Who was it? Tell us.
It's a secret. Maybe I'll tell you in another video.
Oh, Leo loves keeping secrets. Okay, next question.
Have you ever tried a food you didn't like?
Oh, yes, I have. I tried durian fruit once and it was terrible.
Durian? The smelly fruit? That's brave.
I didn't know it would smell so bad. Have you tried it?
No, I haven't, and I don't want to.
But you ate a cricket. A cricket is worse than durian.
No way. Cricket was actually good. Durian smells like garbage.
Okay, let's ask another question.
Have you ever forgotten someone's birthday?
Oh, no. Yes, I have. I felt so bad about it.
It happens to everyone. I've forgotten birthdays too.
Really? I'm glad I'm not the only one.
Yes, last year I forgot my best friend's birthday.
Your best friend? Oh, no. What did you do?
I called him immediately and apologized. Then I took him to dinner.
That's sweet. I'm sure he forgave you.
Yes, he did. We laughed about it later.
See, everyone, even forgetting a birthday can become a good story.
Yes, life experiences, good or bad, are all part of our journey.
And they all go into our life backpack.
Oh yes, the backpack analogy. I love that.
Yes, remember, your life is a journey and your experiences are in your backpack.
And have you ever questions are asking what's in your backpack.
Exactly. Not when you put it there, just if it's there or not.
Okay, everyone, now it's time for our challenge question.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
What's in your life backpack? What interesting experiences do you have?
Write in the comments. Start with I have or I have never.
For example, I have climbed a mountain, or I have never seen the ocean.
Or I have tried a strange food or I have never been on a plane.
We want to read all your experiences. Please share them with us.
And don't worry about making mistakes. Just try your best.
Yes, we read every single comment, and we love hearing your stories.
Oh, and speaking of comments, let's talk about that statistic again.
The 90% statistic? Are you still thinking about that?
Yes, because it's important. Friends, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now.
Please, we make videos for you every single day.
Subscribing helps us so much. It helps us reach more people who want to learn English.
And it tells YouTube that our content is valuable and helpful.
So please, take 1 second and click that subscribe button.
Let's change that 90% number. Let's make it 50%.
Or even better, let's make it 0%. Everyone subscribed.
That would be amazing. A whole community of English learners.
Yes, learning together, supporting each other, growing together.
That's what we want, a friendly, helpful community.
So please, join our community, subscribe, and be part of our family.
Okay, now let's summarize what we learned today.
We learned about present perfect for life experiences.
We use have you ever to ask about experiences without mentioning time.
We learned that when we mention specific time, we switch to past simple.
We learned about already for things that happened before now.
And yet for things that haven't happened, but we expect them to.
Remember the backpack analogy. Your life experiences are in your backpack.
Yes, and have you ever questions are asking what's inside.
So start collecting interesting experiences for your backpack.
Try new things, meet new people, go to new places.
And then you'll have lots of interesting stories to share in English.
Exactly. Life experiences make the best conversation topics.
Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for watching today.
Yes, we really appreciate you spending this time with us.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications.
And write your have you ever experience in the comments.
We can't wait to read all your stories.
Remember, keep practicing every day. Even just a little bit helps.
Yes, consistency is more important than perfection.
We'll see you tomorrow with another fun conversation.
Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep growing.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Goodbye, friends. See you in the next video.
And don't forget, life is a journey. Fill your backpack with beautiful experiences.
And maybe try eating a cricket. Just kidding.
Leo, stop trying to make everyone eat crickets.
Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing.